If you're looking for a simple way to earn stars directly inside Telegram, then this video is going to be perfect for you. Today, I'm introducing a bot that rewards you with stars just by completing quick activities inside the app. No complicated steps, no extra apps. Everything happens right here in Telegram. So if you want to learn how to start earning fast and safely, stay with me until the end. Let's get started.
Hey everyone, hope you're doing great today. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. And if you've been following me for a while, I'm glad to have you back. Before we jump into the full tutorial, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the upcoming earning guides. Let's dive in.
First, use the link I've placed in the comments section of this video and in my Telegram channel to enter the bot. After that, click on Start. Before you can use the bot, you must join the bot's official channel. Once you've joined the channel, return to the bot and click Confirm so your membership gets verified. After the bot becomes active for you, tap on Daily Bonus to claim your daily reward. By clicking on Leaderboard, you can see the top users who have earned the most referrals. With promo code, you can enter promo codes that are shared in the bot's Telegram channel or sent to you directly inside the bot to earn extra stars. By clicking on Account, you can view your account details. To get your invite link, tap on Referral. From there, you can copy your referral link, and for every friend you invite, you'll earn 5 stars. You can use the method I taught on my main channel to get as many referrals as you want. To withdraw your balance, click on Withdraw. The minimum withdrawal amount is 15 stars, and once you reach it, you can receive your payout instantly. I withdrew my balance on my main account, and as you can see, it was deposited in less than an hour. You can also view other users' payment proofs in the bot's Telegram channel. I also recommend that once you reach 15 stars, withdraw immediately. I tested it myself. I redeemed a 50-star gift, but even after almost 20 hours, it still hasn't been paid. But the 15-star gift gets paid in under an hour. And that wraps it up for today's video. I hope this guide helped you understand exactly how this bot works and how you can earn stars quickly and safely. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorials. I upload new earning methods every week, so stay tuned. There's always something fresh coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.